Hi guys, I'm back. Um, yeah, and I figured to start talking a little louder. Okay, let's get back to it. You will get one million thousand, I don't know, dollars every month with us to your life. We'll have to go to the nearest library and start screaming until you're thrown out. This is a hard one. I like books. I won't. I'm one of the only people. Why not? I think it's good. You press the button. As we knew it, the world as we knew it ceased to exist. Looking at no. I'm just gonna rate this one bad. I really don't like it that much. Okay. You will become the richest person in the world, but you will have to either kill your best friend or your lover. No. No, I can't. I can't kill my best friend. Bad. Half-Life 3 is released to the Great Serpent. The gameplay is awful. I will. Half-Life 3 confirmed. Good. You will become almighty, but you will become an all-knowing, so everything you could do would become boring because you already know the results. I want to be almighty. Good. Would I press the button if the hot chocolate is always just chocolatey enough and has the perfect ratio of cocoa to marshmallow, but your feet get really itchy whenever you drink it? Same thing happens to me whenever I walk through the grass. Good. Because I like it. I get a little unfair with my rating. Let me check my recording app. Okay, should be pretty good. Will you press the button.com? Update, leave comments. Okay, yeah. Wait, sorry, go off like that. You control every living creature in the world with a bot, but you use your arms. I need my arms to play video games. That's crap on my hands. Are you a hipster? No. Like, I'm gonna rate this one good, even though I didn't like it very much. I did like it. You win the lottery and receive $200 as you are as they are valued 2013, worth the money each week for the rest of your life. But once a week, when you least expect it, you are stung by a wasp. I don't know how they were in 2013 because I wasn't doing much money back then. I'm still rating good. You're married to Emma Watson. Hold on. It's Emma Watson. Very pretty. Oh, well. So I felt that one other one. I didn't know who she was, so I had to go Google search. You can be immortal. But in order to be immortal, you have to kill people. For each life you take, you get 100 years added to yours. You stop aging at 18. That's a hard one. I don't think I will. I've been pretty well good, but I think this was pretty good. It made me think a little about that one. Pondered the question a little. You have to eat live snake. It should be A, but it's genetically modified to taste exactly like chocolate, peanut butter, and gummy worms. I have to eat live steak. Okay. Just gonna record this until my recording program tells me that I only have a few seconds left and I'll do an outro, but okay. The weather will be perpetually sunny, warm, and gorgeous, but ice cream only comes in one flavor: peanut butter. Oh, not a problem. I like peanut butter ice cream. I like sunny weather, but good. Wasn't much of a dilemma to me because I like peanut butter ice cream. But okay. Able to clean planets, but you have to breed with an animal on Earth. This one's a hard one. Okay, I think that is all for now. Wait, what's this? And that is all for now. Thank you for watching, my friends. And I think, and this is a new series that I'm going to do where I just find some Flash games online and play them. And for now, bye!